back to my channel. It's your girl Lyrica Elise. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure that you guys are subscribing, hitting that like button, and commenting and joining in on the conversation. If you're returning, hey girl, hey. Right now, I'm checking to see if the Starbucks line is busy. Does it look like it? So I'm gonna go. Welcome back to week 3 of Vlogtober. I'm feeling so much better. If you guys checked out the last vlog, which I will link it right here if you guys have not yet, I got bit by a spider. But it's just I guess. And I got sick, but I'm feeling so much better. But right now I am on the way to Starbucks, and then I'm going to go to At Home. My best friend Teddy always has raved about At Home. It's kind of, I guess it's like a Home Goods. But I didn't know that there was some in California. My best friend lives in Arizona, so I did not know that there was an At Home here. So I am going to go visit, see what I can see. Can I get a grande blended espresso frappuccino?
Gotcha. Grande one of those. It doesn't come with whip. Is that okay?
Oh yeah, that's fine. Can I get it double blended with an extra shot of espresso and a pump of brown sugar syrup? Blew me outside, and I was just like, okay, my face is not gonna melt off because we were going through a heat wave a few weeks ago, which is retarded. We're literally in the second week of October. Second week of October, I got my Starbies. They actually made it right this time. It's so good. I'm going to go to At Home, see what they have there, and I will check in with you guys in a little bit.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
I'm literally stuck at the front door. Like literally, that's the front door. I walked probably 5 steps and I want everything. Are you kidding me?
Ooh, this is nice.
Why is this my first time in At Home? I don't even know where to start. I don't know where to start. So what? I don't even know which way to go. You guys, I'm literally about to lose my mind. First of all, they have pampas grass. Second of all, this store is huge. You guys, they have so many like little trinkets. I even love these things to put like pampas grass in it. I would probably spray paint them black, but like, look at this. Like, are you kidding? And the prices are not bad, like at all. Look at this little mirror. Oh my, bruh. 20 bucks for a mirror like this. Like, I'm mad. I'm mad, y'all. Why nobody told me? Why didn't anyone tell me? Yes, something like this to put some pampas grass in. Oh, how much is this? 20 bucks. This one's even nice too. Y'all, I'm about to redecorate my whole apartment. Y'all, and I have a basket just cause. I have no plan. I have a basket just cause. Oh, these look like the ones from Amazon. Bruh. You guys, then they have the nerve to have the oversized one. Let me move into my house. Let me move into my house. Like, why didn't y'all tell me? Why didn't y'all tell me I was missing out on all the... Do I need this? But do I need this though? Me. I absolutely love little affirmations like this. Still walking around with an empty cart. I'm gonna find something though. I'm going to find something to purchase before I leave this store. Excuse me? I may need this. This too. Like, You guys, the store is already like, I'm halfway through the store at this time, by the way. The stuff is already affordable, and then they have the nerve to have a clearance section. A clearance section. You guys, childhood memory unlocked. Do you guys remember these like wicker chairs that like our grandparents used to have? I'm gonna put a picture right here. Doesn't this look like that? Oh my gosh. Yep. Bomb. So I've been back home for a while now. I had to digress. I had to get me a twisted tea. This flavor is mango. I gave you a little haul of what I purchased on my little spontaneous but much needed retail therapy session. Which one is this one? So I got, yeah. But this one was the one that I really, really wanted. Rose gold is one of my favorite colors.